Hello traders! In this video I would like to share with you some setups relevant in the current state of market. We will also talk about risk management. While monitoring the market, I noticed that certain setups are met quite often, and in most cases such situations work out very good. I do not want to say that the whole market is reversing and we are on the edge of bullish markets. However, current situation shows us some uptrend movements and local bullish situations. The setup I would like to share with you looks like that. We see the uptrend movement, and our aim is to find perfect entry zone to enter market along the uptrend movement. I recommend searching for huge amounts of limit orders or points of control in clusters as support levels to place stop loss behind them.
I noticed a very good example on the XRP. Here you see the uptrend movement forming a triangle. Here we see the upper side of the triangle. In the order book, we see a huge amount of limit orders. Unfortunately, the price have already moved far away from this point, from where we should enter the market. However, the situation itself is very relevant, and I recommend searching such setups. 5 minutes time frame, we see how the price reached local highs, then there was a correction, and then we see the new uptrend movement, and the price is reaching the upper side of the triangle. Entering market from such a point with a stop loss behind this huge limit orders amount, we have an opportunity to get very good profit here, and then we can add some positions or left the existing positions on the breakthrough of this level. The situation itself is perfect. Next instrument is GMT USDT. Here we see the same situation of uptrend movement, very strong uptrend movement. It would be better to enter the market from this level, 1.95. It's a round place where we noticed huge amount of limit orders. However, it's too late for futures at least. But the situation is the same. We enter the market along the main movement from a huge amount of limit orders, placing our stop loss behind it. It's extremely good situation on bullish market.
Be aware that finding uptrend formation is not enough for the situation. Watch the BTC and do not enter against its movement. Moreover, you should find a perfect entry point with a safe place for your stop loss. That's why the limit orders behind your entry point along the trend is the shelter for your stop loss. It allows you adhering to your risk management strategy. Let's go to practice. I have found the exact situation entering the uptrend movement at the end of local consolidation. Here there was a huge limit order that is spread now among this price range. Moreover, here we see a point of control where 29,000 contracts of sellers were executed. However, the price didn't go lower. It means that the buyers are much more stronger. So this zone will be the point of control or our support zone. Now I'm expecting the movement along the trend. My stop loss is maximum 0.5%, 1% from entry point. This is about the risk management. Here we see the lower part of consolidation and the continuation of uptrend movement. In this way, I can switch profit display to dollars, points or percentage, just clicking on this zone. Another useful instrument I really recommend to use is a ruler that helps you to set stop loss and take profit in accordance to your risk management. I want to pay your attention to risk management basis. The most obvious advantage of such setups is a good risk-reward ratio. Placing the stop loss behind support zone formed by huge limit orders or point of control creates the situation with low potential loss and huge potential profit. Please remember that the real sign of professionalism in trading is not closing 10 out of 10 trades in profit. In fact, it's much more important not to infringe your risk management rules. You can close 5 out of 10 trades in loss according to your system, having, for example, $3-7 loss after closing your positions with 0.5%, 1% stop loss, but the next trade of the same setup within the same risk management will bring you $60 profit that will definitely cover your previous losses and bring profit. The newcomer's psychology makes them increase entry volume after several unsuccessful trades to win back the loss. This is the grave mistake that leads to avalanche-like loss of deposit. Now we see how the situation has worked out. I close $14 profit as I see the resistance in clusters. The sellers take initiative and I close position totally. Let's see the trader diary by CScalp. There are our entry points and the point where we closed the position, plus $14. Also, please be aware that you should adhere to compound interest while increasing your deposit. Set up the daily profit and loss limits. 3 or 5% profit to your deposit each trading session will make compound interest as far as 5% increase of today's deposit will bring much more profit than 5% increase yesterday. Be careful and adhere to your risk management strategy. The video was prepared for the CScalp trading platform team. Thank you.